This is my first ever city challenge entry since I started learning Blender 3 years ago, and I learned a lot. Hey guys, my name is Joe, and I'll be showing you how I set up my scene, how I rendered the scene and put together an amazing render for the bad numbers challenge. So basically I started with a lot of basic elements to build out the scene. So just so I can show you guys around, I turned a lot of the crowd and cars into just bound shape. So this is the first ever building I added into the scene, and they were just normal image textures from textures.com that I just moved around to make look like a building. Another element of the scene that adds an extra touch are those human characters that are just normal PNG elements, but I knocked out the alpha by plugging that into the alpha channel. Then I had like crowd simulation. I just used basic shape keys to animate them and then put them on the plane with a particle system. But there's a catch to it. I also had like a goal element just so that these humans have a target that they're working into. All these are found in the particle menu. I also had some barriers so that they don't walk into the road, and these roads, they just have basic collision elements, and I also had a force field. I also built out the car scene in another render file just so that it doesn't bog down the scene.